Guys, this is my first Battlecats actual video, not a short, but I am almost gonna get a platinum ticket, and I want a good Uber and not like these duplicate Ubers. I have two Ubers and they're both Dragons. I got them from an 11 drop. And also a legendary, which I freaked out on it. I unboxed it in a short, in my short videos. So yeah. Anyways, I want to get something good from this when I complete the chapter 1. I want the Dark Is guy. Yeah. Cause she's so good. She's my favorite Uber. Or I could get my second favorite, Thunderjack. Yeah, I like him because he's very fast. Yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna be doing these stuff, and I'll see you at the moon. Though. I'll see you at the moon. Okay, guys. This is I already killed him. I was about to say this is really bad, but I just killed him. Anyways, this is my loadout. It's kinda ass, but oh come on, man! I don't got that much rare units. I would be using Salon Cat, but I just replaced her with a mythical Titan Cats. Just upgraded them. My loadout is so ass. Look how big my rares. I only have one super rare, and it's a Batcat. Oh, it's so bad. It's so ass. He takes out a gun and shoots, bro. It's so bad, so bad. But, okay, we just got it. Anyways, I'm gonna go to the next. Okay. Another one just passed. Nice, we just beat him. So, yeah, I'm gonna see you in another stage. So I'm in Mexico now. And things are still getting hard. I don't really use my Ubers because they're very expensive. And look at my fucking rear, man. Yeah, they're so bad, I know that. I like Mushu Cat, but he's not that good. Cat Gunslinger, I never really use him. I don't know if he's good. Salon Cat, she's kind of expensive, but whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna do Mexico. Okay, now we're in Mexico. Now, I know this is my first Battlecats video, and it's not the start of my Battlecats account, but I didn't start to I didn't think to record the first, but when I didn't think I would make an account for this game, but after I got the legendary, I was like, oh my god, bro. I have to make a video. Come on, man. Okay, so we just beat Mexico. Nice. So, I think we're close to the last stage of this chapter. NASA, what the fuck? Anyways, yeah. I don't know, bro. My loadout is so ass. Anyway. Hi guys, I don't think I can do NASA, so I maybe really need to use one of my stuff here, that are very expensive. I just think I can make my wallet reach to them if I level it up. I'm just gonna put a Titan first, cause I need money from them dying. Sorry. Oh, this is getting way too hard. Oh, fuck. My little Titan died. No, this is bad. Oh. I'm actually so dead. Oh, come on, bro. Come on. Kill him. Come on. No, 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 no. Come on! No! No! I'm dying, I'm dying. Oh! Yes! Whoa! Look at him, bro! Oh, he's so cool. I love him, bro. That's amazing. Oh, look at him. He's so cool. Oh, I love my Uber, bro. I love him. I love him. Anyways, so bye. I'm just gonna Alright guys, we just beat NASA. This is really hard, even with my Ubers, bro. Like, damn, man. I think we are very close. Las Vegas. It's like, we did so many stages, man. We did so many stages. So like, yeah. I think I'm gonna need Salon Cat in here because like it's getting very, very hard. So like, I don't know where to put him. Wait, no, I need like someone that's red. Okay, come on, come on. Okay, he just weakens him, man. No, man, no, it's so bad, man. It's so bad. That's so bad units. Is he good against red? Oh, he's good against red. Okay, he does massive damage. So I'm gonna replace wait, is Jurassic Cat dead? I'm gonna check. Okay, so he's so bad. I'm just gonna super rare. So yeah, okay, nice. Who is this guy, bro? Yeah. But it's okay. My Jurassic Cat is so nice, I think. Never mind, I just got my Uber. Alright guys, after this I'm gonna see you at the moon. This is bad. Moon! We are at the moon! Oh my god, this is gonna be so hard. But I did upgrade Salon Cat and my Wushu Cat to level 10. Yeah, I'm just gonna upgrade my Uber as well. I think my Uber might pay less, but I'm gonna use a rich cat just to be just in case. Yeah. So, this is gonna be hard, but it's not gonna be that hard because I have an Uber. Anyway, let's do this. So I'm just gonna beat it. What the fuck is that, alright? What is that? That is actually scary, bro. What the fuck is that? Bro, is that Will Smith? What the hell? I'm gonna be using this guy because he has like a ability and like he's kind of good. So, yeah. He has like a thing called Thunder. And then his face is gonna die. So yeah, this guy is very slow though. Yeah, yeah, okay, come on, man. Yeah. Nice, my other Uber. Come on, I got the 2 over there. Ah, I love it. Let's see if this guy is good. Let's see if this face can kill R2 people, bro. Let me use his ability. Boom. That did absolutely nothing. But we're gonna kill him first. I have both of my Ubers, bro. He's basically dead already. So, yeah. The rich cat that is really helpful because like when my super cat like killed the hippos, got so much money. I killed the face, which is good. So yeah, I'm just gonna get the platinum ticket that you have all been. Let's go! This was way easier than the other stuff. Anyways, what the fuck? The moment we have all been waiting for. The platinum tickets. Let's go. Alright guys, let's just see what we will get. No! I didn't get something good. But I don't even know if this is good or not. But okay, whatever. How unfortunate, bro. How unfortunate.